please take a moment to read our risk disclosure.
Seems like only yesterday when you held my hand.
Welcome. In this tutorial I am going to cover the Connect plugin and the Market Manager of the MT4 Supreme Edition. So let me start off with the Market Manager. Very simple. Just click, drag, drop onto your chart. Just accept everything. Okay. And basically it just shows you, it's like a market watch. It can show you everything that's tradable. You can actually interact through here. So for example, over here I've got a US CAD position open. If I click it, I can do it. It's just going to ask me for the confirmation. I'm just going to say no. Okay. We also have, you can check all the information on your open and pending orders, your account information. At the moment, this much margin is in use. My total floating P&L, okay, or in profit in pips as well. A whole bunch of information there. All my open positions and so forth. Very simple tool. You may not use it very much, but that's how that one works. Let me just close it, and now let me show you the Connect feature. Now with this one, when I click, drag and drop, make sure that the allow live trading is on. Click, it's going to embed itself into your chart, as you can see. Now, so what I'm going to do, just to have more room, I'm just going to maximize that chart and just show it to you a little bit better. Essentially, there's a whole bunch of headings at the top here. Okay, things that will tell you trade analysis is everything information regarding your account. So you can go through, take your time, etc. Deposit withdrawal will take you to the web page to deposit into your account. This is the Admiral Facebook page. This is a calendar that you may find handy. I still prefer to go to the Forex Factory calendar, but anyway, there it is. You have a pip calculator. This might be useful. Have a bit of a play, see how you go on there. I still prefer to size my trades with the percentage risk that I showed you earlier in the mini terminal rather than use this, but this is handy for you to know. Probably the key one here is the news. Okay, you can add news feeds into this. For example, Forex Factory is as part of a newsfeed that you can add in there. If I can select just that, for example, it'll show me all the information that Forex Factory has on their website. So for example, the Scots Independence scenario and what might be happening, which is impacting the GBP at the moment. You can add your own feed. I'll show you how to do that. Let me just open up a web page and let me just go to, say for example, the Sydney Morning Herald web page. Once you get there, just scroll down. Most news websites, if you scroll right down to the bottom of their website, you will find a section where it says RSS, and here it is right there. So if I click on it, then it basically will have several URLs. Okay, and let's say for example I want a sports one, and specifically let's just say I want a soccer one. Okay, a football one. So I've just highlighted it. Now I'm just going to right click and oops, no, I won't do that. I'll just Control C and I'll copy it. So Control C, I've copied it. Now I'll go back to my trading platform and click on add a feed. And these are the ones built in. Okay, so if you want CNN or Reuters, etc. But if you want something specific like I've just done, click here to type in the URL. So there I go, and then I click in there, and now I'm just going to paste what I copied. Click on check the feed. It's telling me that it's the Sydney Morning Herald. I'll click yes, I want to display, and I'll add it. Now in my news section here, I can filter out so that I just see that Sydney Morning Herald one, and I can see here Western Sydney Wanderers will have to move from Parramatta if they want to make the ACL final, okay, or etc. Manchester United sent to announce record, etc. If I click on any of these, it will actually open up the page on the Sydney Morning Herald which has the complete story. Okay, so very handy. If you particularly want to mix your trading with other things and so forth. Now, the only downside of this is that this particular plugin embeds itself into your chart. So when you want to get rid of it, you got to kind of close it like that. It means you do lose your chart, and then I basically got to go and reopen a chart again if that's what I wanted to do. And there's my chart. Okay, hopefully this is a tool that is useful for you. See how you go. Cheers. Thanks for listening. Go out, look for lots and lots of examples, bring your questions to the class, and we'll see you then. Bye for now.
Get right away.